Shelby fans. Good looking fastback. 1966 Ford Mustang. Shelby GT350-Hertz tribute car. Of course, the black with gold striping. 289 underneath the hood. That is paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission, nicely equipped. Power steering, power brakes. We're going to pop the hood, get into that in just a little bit, let you hear this car run, get into some of the details. First, let's take a look at this grille, front bumper. This car was restored approximately 8 years ago, frame off restoration. And as you can see, the paint has a very nice shine to it. Paint definitely shows well. This car will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That's included in the purchase price. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see all the still pictures. Good looking rally style wheel. We have Goodrich radials in the front. Look at how straight the body is on this. And you know, if you have poor body work or poor paint with a black car, it shows up immediately and is easy to see. And look at the reflection coming off that. Wow. Black interior, bucket seats. There's your shifter or 4-speed on the floor. Now I have the rear seats folded down just because I love the looks of the car with it like that. You can see it in the still pictures. Seats folded up. Got it pictured both ways. Of course, you get access through the trunk. Check that out, all in the still pictures. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Slipping around to the rear, see some of the GT350 badging and Shelby gas cap. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all those still pictures. Now, when we get underneath the hood, we'll get into that a little bit now so I don't have to talk over the engine when it's running. The 289 does have the high-pull heads on it. According to previous owner, same as the Shelby engines would have had. I did notice there's also the Shelby intake manifold. Looks correct to the Shelby engines. 4-barrel carb. And again, nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes. You're also going to notice aluminum radiator with electric fan when we get underneath the hood. Hood is fiberglass, a nice lightweight hood. That looks good and fits good on there. Take a look at the door panels. Sill plate. Bucket seats, nice shape, not ripped, torn. And you can see how nice of condition that carpeting is in also. Same way up front. And this car sounds great, and we're going to find out how good it sounds right now. So let's go ahead and fire it up. Was a cold start, so we're going to let it warm up here just a bit. A little bit cold-blooded, but not bad. As you get a good look at the dash, you can see fuel gauge come up, oil pressure, amp meter, and the temp gauge. Again, that was a cold start, so I think we should be good. According to the previous owner, same cam that you'll find in a Shelby 289 GT350 engine also. See how nice that door closed, but yeah, listen to this. That's going to turn some heads. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, your local shows. I'm going to slip up here to the hood. Let me get these pins out, and I want to pop the hood so we can check out the engine bay. Listen to that. There's the bottom side of that hood. Again, glass hood, fits well, looks good. Here it is, 289. Again, high pull head. Power steering, power brake. There's that aluminum radiator, electric fan. There's a battery disconnect over here too. In case you need to store it at all, don't drive it every day. And again, frame off restoration approximately 8 years ago, according to the previous owner. What a beautiful tribute. 1966 Ford Mustang Fastback Shelby GT350-Hertz Rent-A-Racer tribute. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. We do consider trades, financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1966 Ford Mustang. This is a tribute to the GT350H. It is a 4 on the floor transmission. Acceleration is good. Both our turn signals are functioning. Letting go of the wheel, she stays nice and straight in the lane. The amps show charging just over half of the gauge. Temperature showing 1/4 of the gauge. Fuel showing right in the middle at half, and oil pressure right about half of the gauge. Our blower motor does function. I turned the wiper switch, they do not move. Very nice looking car. Very good looking tribute. Got black interior, black with gold stripes on the outside. Brakes work good. Take her around the corner. Corners well. Corners as you would expect, doesn't lean too much. Very nice looking, fun to drive. 1966 Ford Mustang. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.